Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. My name is Sarisha Naidu and today we're talking about stem cell treatments. Stem cell treatments are great. Not only is it great for anti-aging and looking beautiful and maintaining and preserving your youth, but it's also great for a whole host of other ailments. It's been known to treat clients and patients with cancer, stage 4 most of them. It's been assisting with HIV. It's been improving immune systems, people with cataracts, people with strokes, renal kidney failure, hypertension, skin diseases, heart diseases, and so much more. The list is endless. So I was gifted Purtier Placenta 5th edition, which has been amazing, and the bottle's empty, clearly. And then I tried it, but I didn't feel like I was the best judge of it because I'd like to think I'm pretty healthy, so I didn't have too many ailments to fix. And so I trial tested my parents. Both my parents are Indian parents who have high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes. So I just thought it was a good measure. And the 6th edition of Purtier Placenta, I know the name kind of is crazy, but we'll get that to comes in this gorgeous box. It is the Rolls Royce of products, or Rolls Royce of supplements, and that's what you're looking at. Then you just remove the product, made in New Zealand. Off with the cap. It flip tops open, and as you can see, I've broken the seal, and that's what the capsules look like. So, how does Purtier Placenta work? What is Purtier Placenta? Purtier Placenta is placenta taken from the deer, the very majestic deer, because our stem cells are very, very close to that of a deer. And this is specifically made in New Zealand because of we're trying to, because New Zealand, number one, is very green in the way things are formulated and free from foot and mouth diseases and all of those kind of issues, which, you know, for the most part would affect Africa and Europe and other countries. But what they've done so differently from other placenta and stem cell products is that the stem culture is live and it's coated in such a way so when you ingest the capsule, it's not lost. So it's not released before it reaches your small intestine. It's coated so that it survives your stomach fluids and everything that could like unhinge it till it gets to the small intestine, and then it releases the stem cells. It is also a halal product, and it also has good manufacturing practice, so it has all that certification with it, so that's why it makes it so attractive. Not only that, I've seen it working wonders on my parents. I've seen wonderful improvement. Now, the capsule is kind of expensive. I feel it's expensive for a bottle, but also take into consideration that, you know, our big Hollywood stars fly all the way to Switzerland and have an IV stem cell treatment for around 30,000 USD a pop. So in comparison, it kind of makes complete sense why this is the natural alternative. I mean, I would so rather have a capsule than go in for regular stem cell treatments. So for me, the convenience of it all is just amazing, and I'm so grateful that this product has, you know, found a place in its market. So it's on its 6th edition, which means that it constantly improves upon itself as we go. Not only does it have the white strawberries that, you know, from Japan, it also has apple polyphenols. It has 12 other ingredients in it which just assist with anti-aging and just benefiting your body from head to toe. It has a million. When I say a million, I mean a million and maybe just over a million, not under a million. A million trials carried out by a million people all across the world. This capsule is now just getting into Europe, obviously made in New Zealand and having the rights held in Singapore. Most of the test subjects are from Eastern descent, and that's why you find so many trials of Eastern descent. I mean, the one trial for me was, you know, gout and thyroid cured in 14 days. I mean, that's just not possible, but it is possible. So now, does it mean you have to take this expensive capsule for the rest of your life? No. Okay, let's use a silly example. If you're a chronic patient and you want to start taking Purtier Placenta, you would buy a set. A set of Purtier Placenta would be 7 bottles, which constitute a set. So you would take 4 capsules a day, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. Not necessarily. It's a stem cell treatment. You can have it at any part of the day. After the first month, you would then take 2 a day, and third month 2 a day, fourth 2 a day, fifth and sixth 2 a day, which completes the set. Thereafter, you can maintain with the capsule, or you could decide to take it, to stay younger. But that kind of course is really up to you. But for chronic patients who are trying to get better results and improve upon their lifestyle and what they want to see, then this capsule has to be purchased in 7 sets. Thereafter, you'll see the remarkable kind of results from this, and then you can decide and take it further. So Purtier Placenta is here in South Africa. I'm really, really excited to be the exclusive distributor of it. I've seen huge differences in many people in my life who've started taking this, and I hope you will try as well. So you can email me. It's info@purtierplacentasa.co.za. I'd love to answer your questions. And of course, it's available at my clinic, Mshlanga Laser and Aesthetic Clinic. So I'm not going to give you anything. I'm going to trial test it before I give it to you. I've trial tested this. I'm very happy with it. Not only does it solve basic skin issues like pigmentation, and for me especially vitiligo, it's just been an incredible life-saving product to my parents, and I can't wait till they finish their set. So they're currently on the 4th month, and they've got 3 months to go, so I will keep you updated. Thanks so